Hello Doge family. How are you today? At least, we can generate income by making short transactions to turn this time into an advantage. I will show you the buy and sell lines. Guys, I know we are all going through difficult days. Frankly, I can say that we are overwhelmed. But we need to stay calm. Let's be positive, guys. Let's think 1 year ahead. It is time to be united, and together we will grow hand in hand. Doge lovers, before going into details, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will grow Dogecoin. There's no doubt Dogecoin will reach $1 within the next years. But Dogecoin holders have to be patient about it. It's not going to happen overnight. There's a saying, the stock market is for circulating money from the impatient to the patient. Let's explain why we believe Dogecoin will reach $1. Those who believe that Dogecoin will never reach $1 per coin says that Dogecoin has too many tokens in circulation and has a 5 billion per year coin supply for eternity. As a result, Doge is inflationary, loses value over time, and worse, crypto. Many of the critics forget that the world's second popular cryptocurrency, Ethereum, also has an unlimited supply. However, no one attacks Ethereum for having an endless supply because many people are already invested in this coin. Furthermore, we have to remember that not all Bitcoin is in circulation. There will be a total of 21 million Bitcoin. So far, only 18 million Bitcoin has been mined. Therefore, if people stop buying Bitcoin today, Bitcoin will automatically lose value over time. Until all the Bitcoins are mined, this crypto also has inherent inflation. Someone working in an industry does not mean he or she knows everything. If someone claims to be an industry veteran does not mean he can accurately predict his industry's future. When SpaceX announced that they would make reusable rockets, every rocket scientist said it can't be done. There's no way an orbital-class rocket can land on Earth in one piece. But SpaceX proved everyone wrong. When SpaceX announced that they would carry humans to the International Space Station, almost everyone, including Neil Armstrong, opposed this idea. They said a private company couldn't ferry humans to and from ISS safely. To maximize profit, SpaceX would disregard human safety. But SpaceX proved everyone wrong. When Steve Jobs announced the iPhone, everyone laughed at Apple. Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer and BlackBerry executives announced that there's no way people would buy an expensive iPhone. Microsoft said their phones are far superior to Apple's phones. BlackBerry said no company executives would use the iPhone because it does not have a keyboard. Thus, it's not an excellent emailing machine. Now, we know that the iPhone proved everyone wrong. Ford, GM, and other car companies have been making cars for hundreds of years. So, when Tesla came with their electric car, everyone said that Tesla would go bankrupt once Ford and GM started making electric vehicles. Unfortunately, it never happened. No other traditional companies can make a compelling EV that can compete with a Tesla vehicle. Now, Tesla is the best-selling EV in the world. You may be wondering why we are talking about these. It does not correlate with Dogecoin. Unfortunately, there's a correlation. Those who are following cryptocurrencies since 2009 consider themselves crypto veterans. We have met many. Some of them are immensely arrogant. According to them, Dogecoin is the worst cryptocurrency on Earth, and it has no future. They say Doge is nothing but a pump and dump coin. It's a second-tier cryptocurrency. They say that this coin has no use case except for online tipping. No one accepts it, so Dogecoin will vanish. According to them, this coin will never reach $1. Now I'm going to read you news about general coins, friends. Don't panic. The whole market is like this right now. Be patient and wait. Top cryptocurrency prices today: Ethereum, Dogecoin and Polkadot shed up to 7%. New Delhi. Major cryptocurrencies were trading lower on Friday in the crypto market. The digital token market has turned jitter ever since Beijing's regulatory crackdown. The crypto market tanked as much as 7% from the previous day, with all top 10 digital currencies trading lower at 9.30 hours East. The past 24 hours witnessed quite a sell-off across the cryptocurrency spectrum. Multiple factors contributed to this profit booking. Barclays in the UK stopped its customers from depositing money into crypto exchanges. Global financial institution, Bank of America Corp. created a new team dedicated to researching cryptocurrencies, marking Wall Street's latest push to capitalize on investors' frenzy for digital assets. Alkesh Shah will lead the effort, which will also cover technologies tied to digital currencies. As per the technical indicators, the long positions on Bitcoin started dropping. It was just a matter of time before the markets witnessed a sell-off. Polkadot, Solana remained subdued as they tanked by almost 8%. Bitcoin's downside was a bit capped and is currently hovering around the $33,000 mark. Said Ejal Patel, CEO and co-founder of Mudrex. Back home, many cryptocurrency traders, shut out of the Indian crypto market by local banks, are now being restrained from buying virtual currencies from overseas markets. India's largest private sector bank Assisi NSE -0.52% is telling customers remitting funds to invest abroad to give a declaration that the money will not be used to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. TechView by ZebPay Trade Desk Bitcoin is likely to move out of its 7-week trading range of $30,000 to $40,000. Analysts believe that several indicators tracking the cyclical nature of price volatility suggest that a big move is on the horizon. Bollinger Bandwidth, which is a measure of volatility, and is calculated by dividing the spread between its band by the 20-day average of the asset's price, has declined to a 2-month low of 0.15. BTC saw similar action in December and April after the bandwidth fell to 0.15, and during both periods major movement was seen. Bollinger Analysis places volatility bands 2 standard deviations away from either side of the 20-day price average. BTC has witnessed this phenomenon repeatedly in the past too, when it saw big moves during the 2017 bull run, namely when each time the bandwidth fell to 0.15. The upside is likely to play out, above the 50-day moving average resistance, which currently sits at $36,000 levels. Most analysts believe that BTC has factored in most, if not all of the negative news during the May sell-off when the price fell from $60,000 to $30,000. Hence, the downside, if any, is likely to be fairly limited. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.